AI Infographics just dropped, and if you're even thinking about using it, there are 7 crucial things you need to know before diving in. This tool isn't just another AI image generator, it's built specifically for creating scroll-stopping infographics faster than anything I've seen. And if you care about engagement, content speed, or traffic, you're going to want to hear all of this. You can try it completely free from the first link below. And by the end, I'll show you how to get the most out of it and even how it compares to other top tools I've tested. So here's what makes AI Infographics AI different. First, it's actually trained on real infographic layouts, not just random images. That means the output isn't just visually cool, it's formatted with hierarchy, flow, and scannability in mind. Perfect for platforms like Pinterest, LinkedIn, and carousel posts on Instagram, where design plus information carries performance. Second, it works off text prompts or URLs. Just drop in a blog post link or paste your content, and it'll summarize, structure, and design an infographic around it. You don't need to mess with Canva templates or pay a designer. I've tested dozens of AI design tools. This one's the first that gets layouts right without babysitting. Third, you're not stuck with one look. There are built-in style presets, clean, corporate, edgy, even Gen Z vibes, and they actually look different. You can also edit colors, fonts, and icons easily. No weird exports or low-res stuff. It's built to be download ready for socials or clients. Fourth, it's fast, like scary fast. I built a 5-point educational infographic in under a minute. It pulled data from the blog I linked, summarized it smartly, then formatted it in a way that looked like I hired a designer. For marketers, this is a timesheet code. Fifth, it lets you collaborate. If you're part of a content team or work with clients, there's real-time commenting and sharing. This isn't just a personal use app. It actually scales for agencies or content creators putting out volume. Sixth, it respects your brand. You can save brand kits, logos, fonts, colors, and every infographic will match. That's rare in tools this new. Most AI design tools still mess up branding unless you manually tweak them. And lastly, it doesn't gate the good stuff. Even on the free trial, you get access to high-res exports and full template access. So you can genuinely test its best features before deciding anything. So is AI Infographics AI the best just released AI software in its category right now? From what I've seen, yes. And I've tested over 1,000 AI tools across marketing, design, and automation. This is the first one that feels like it understands the needs of marketers, educators, and content creators, not just designers. If you want to save time, boost engagement, and publish visual content that looks polished without the design headaches, this tool is a must-try. Again, the first link below gives you free access. And if you're serious about using AI to speed up your content, check the description for my full list of recommended AI tools you can try for free. Tested after going through thousands of options. Some of them pair perfectly with AI infographics to build a full content pipeline.